Okay, here we are with the onions. There's really no maintenance with onions, which is fabulous. They're kind of like you put them in, you keep them weeded, it's good to go. You don't need to cover them back up. All they need is that very bottom of the roots to be in. So when you start seeing them emerge, that's a good thing. You're actually seeing them grow, so it's a good thing. But this year was really exciting for me. So normally I cannot grow onion from seed. I have the hardest time. It's never been able to work. But what I did was seed save from my own onions here on the homestead, and I planted them pretty early in the year because they take a really long time to germinate inside your house, but by the time you can bring them out here. So onions are biennials, which means they give seed every other year. So sometimes you will get a bulb from the store, or for if you buy them online, they'll start to go to seed right away and you won't get an actual onion. That means they're probably already on their second year, but that's okay. So maybe you can learn how to seed save as well. So I was able to seed save, plant them, they germinated, and they were like the scrawniest little grass type things, and I put them out here. This is them right here versus the ones that we bought for bulbs. These were free, these were not free. But and yes, they are a little bit smaller than these ones, which will work out really good because they can handle all kinds of weather, which is great. Onions are a really great, fabulous thing to plant. These will be harvested first, and then we can use them. They can get curing, then they can go into storage, and then I'm going to have a whole crap ton of other onions. Crossing fingers, we're not there yet, but they're looking good, that we'll be able to go ahead and have it at a later harvest, which is great for having this much stuff and then be able to not all have to harvest it all at the same time, right? It's very daunting and confusing and hard and overwhelming, and you don't know where to store the crap. So this way I'll have some and then do some, right? So onions are working out, so wish me luck, people. If you have any tips on the seed starting of the onions, please share below, or like how to get them to, I don't know. If you got anything, I'll take it. So help me out. Thanks, guys.